Hey guys, Nate again with another moving pro tip. What I like to do is I like to use drills for everything. Saves your hands, it's a lot faster and more efficient. A little trick that I found is using a star bit work for Allen keys. It allows you to use your drill, not have to do it by hand each time. So I have a partner with me, Matthew, and we'll just disassemble the bed while he holds it. So now that that's out, I'll come over to this side. Perfect. Once I have that out, he's gonna lift that and get it out of the way. A really solid trick that I like to do is put all of the screws and bolts that you pull out back in where they were. That way you'll never lose them. They don't have to be super tight, just in there where they'll hold enough. And then we'll repeat the process again, the same for the headboard. So once we move back to the headboard, the reason I start with the footboard is the headboard is typically a little bit heavier and a little bit more awkward. And with that being said, once I get that off, I can move on to this, and I have another teammate with me as well holding it. Boom, same thing. Matthew's gonna lean it up against the wall, and I'm gonna put these back inside where I pulled them out of. Perfect. Once that's been done, now we have some room. You see we've cleared it out. We can stand everything up, move our tools, stand this guy up. And with this, you don't typically have to wrap it. We'll take this out and get it out of the room.